So now let's see how we can work around with Channel Mixer, Extract and Image Control effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, if I were to go around over here under Effects right here, under Show All Effects, I'm just going to choose the Advanced Adjustment right here. And the first one, as you see, is a Channel Mixer. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out on my footage right here, then you get the Channel Mixer effect, where you can control out the red, green, and blue, as you can see right here. So you can see the red, green, and blue, and that's it. You can go around and change around the different channels right here, like blue, green, and so forth, and choose around monochrome effect as well. So that is what you have. Let me just delete this effect out right here. And now let's see Extract. So Extract is another effect right here. And if I were to click and drag it right here, then it extracts out another footage right here in an adjustment layer, as you can see. And you can go around and change around the black input level right here, just like this, and the white input level over here, just like this as well, and work around with the softness, as you can see right here. And you can invert it out as well if you want. So that is the adjustment layer right here. So let me just go around over here and then bring in haze removal. So haze removal is another effect right here, which allows you to actually remove out haze if there are any right here. But my footage right here is not very hazy, so I'm not being able to see that. So now let's just go around onto the other effect, that is the image control. So if I were to go around and bring this out right here and press apply, then it creates an adjustment layer again, and you can control around the brightness, you can control around the contrast, as you can see right here, and then you can go around and change around the hue as well, just like this. Also, you can work around with the saturation of the footage right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with Channel Mixer, Extract, and Image Control inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.